Unleashing the Power of Cloudways. A Comprehensive Review. Tony Corrier. 3 minutes read. Just now. Introduction. In the rapidly evolving world of web hosting and cloud computing, Cloudways has emerged as a dynamic and innovative player. With its unique approach to cloud hosting, Cloudways provides a platform that simplifies website management, scales effortlessly, and offers a robust infrastructure to support a wide range of online projects. In this blog post, we'll take an in-depth look at Cloudways and explore its features, benefits, and why it has gained popularity among developers, businesses, and webmasters. What is Cloudways? Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that aims to bridge the gap between the complexities of cloud infrastructure and the ease of traditional hosting. It offers a range of cloud providers, including Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, DigitalOcean, Vultr, and Linode. This flexibility allows users to choose the infrastructure that best suits their needs. Key features of Cloudways. 1. Managed services. One of the standout features of Cloudways is its managed services. Unlike traditional cloud providers, Cloudways handles server management tasks like server setup, security, and maintenance. This allows users to focus on their applications and websites without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. 2. Choice of cloud providers. Cloudways offers a variety of cloud providers, allowing users to select the one that fits their budget and performance requirements. You can easily switch between providers or even use multiple providers for different parts of your project. 3. Scalability. Cloudways makes scaling your web applications effortless. You can easily adjust server resources as your website traffic grows, ensuring optimal performance at all times. 4. Performance optimization. Cloudways provides built-in caching mechanisms, including Varnish, Memcached, and Redis, to improve website speed and performance. Additionally, it offers a Content Delivery Network (CDN) integration for even faster loading times. 5. Security. Security is a top priority for Cloudways. It offers features like regular security patches, automatic backups, two-factor authentication, and an advanced firewall to keep your websites safe from threats. 6. Developer-friendly. Cloudways offers a developer-friendly environment with SSH access, Git integration, and support for multiple PHP versions. This makes it an ideal choice for developers and agencies. 7. User-friendly dashboard. The Cloudways control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, even for those who are new to cloud hosting. You can manage servers, applications, and databases with ease. Benefits of using Cloudways. 1. Cost efficiency. Cloudways offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which means you only pay for the resources you use. This can lead to significant cost savings compared to traditional hosting. 2. Reliability. With multiple cloud providers and data centers to choose from, Cloudways offers high uptime and reliability, ensuring your websites are always accessible. 3. Support. Cloudways provides 24/7 customer support through live chat, ticketing, and an active community forum. Their support team is knowledgeable and responsive. 4. Speed. The combination of solid-state drives, SSD, advanced caching, and CDN integration ensures fast page loading times, which is crucial for user experience and CI. 5. Scalability. Cloudways allows you to scale your resources up or down easily, making it suitable for projects of all sizes, from small blogs to large e-commerce websites. Conclusion: Cloudways has established itself as a powerful and user-friendly platform for hosting web applications and websites on the cloud. Its managed services, scalability, performance optimization, and security features make it a compelling choice for businesses and developers alike. Whether you're a startup looking to scale or an experienced developer seeking a hassle-free hosting solution, Cloudways offers a flexible and reliable platform to meet your needs. With its customer-centric approach and commitment to innovation, Cloudways is sure to remain a top choice in the competitive world of cloud hosting. Go to Cloudways. Written by Tony Correa. Tony Correa is an online marketing strategist who promotes web hosting companies.